What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today's video, I was kindly sent a game code for Puzzle Bubble VR for the Oculus Quest 1 and 2 to give my honest opinions, and I also have a big announcement at the end of today's video. So stick around if you're interested in a giveaway. Now, huge shout out to Valve VR for sending me this code. Even though they're not the game devs themselves, they're still awesome enough to let me try the game out. And for those of you that don't know who Valve VR is, they are a virtual reality competition holder, and they also make giveaways for things like Oculus Quests, headsets, and cash prize giveaways and competitions. Now, who is this game for, and should they buy it? Well, the game is basically towards people who are prone to motion sickness or who are new to VR and don't really understand the controls, as the controls are super intuitive and there is no locomotion option. This game is really well made for what it does, and I really enjoyed the graphics, the overall music, and the gameplay itself. It is really fun. Now, this game has 3 different kinds of modes: the story mode, the infinite mode, and the last but not least, the dual mode, where you can play with your friends online or locally, which is really cool. And the story mode, it has 100 puzzles, each getting harder than the last, and I can tell you that is true from experience. And one of my favorite modes is the infinite mode, where you can chase scores and get the highest score on the leaderboard, but you also have to worry about the black hole, which if you don't get all of your points in time, they will suck up all the bubbles and you will lose the game. Is this going to be releasing on the Rift and the PSVR? To that I say, I don't know. Now, I highly recommend this game, even if you are a avid or a veteran VR gamer like myself. So now, like I said in the beginning of the video, I mentioned a big announcement at the end of the video, which is right now, and thanks to Valve VR for reaching back to me. Valve VR has teamed up with myself and a few other YouTubers, and they're hosting an Oculus Quest 2 giveaway. So if you want to enter, I have a link in the description down below to where you can click on the Gleam.io link and you can submit your entries and things like that, and the winner will be emailed by June 3rd. So you have 2 weeks to enter, and remember to like and subscribe and to virtual reality check yourself. Peace. I recommend you register as soon as possible. Like I said, I have a link to the